Okay. So, had to backtrack a little bit because if you guys didn't catch it, I forgot to put the washer or the timing chain guide in place when I put all the timing covers and everything. So I backtracked, put that back together, got that done. Found a bolt for the one that I broke. I've assembled the passenger side, getting ready to put the driver's side together. Just slide these on in back where they were. If we were putting in a brand new cam and all kinds of stuff, yeah, no, I would not be reusing lifters. But the fact is, it's a used cam, it's used lifters, it's a used truck, and I've had pretty good luck before. So I'm going to hope my luck holds out. If it doesn't, I have another motor that once I pull it out of the other truck, it will be getting rebuilt anyway for when I blow this one up. I'm not planning on doing that anytime soon, but if it happens, it happens. I'm hoping to at least get a couple seasons out of this before I have to replace it. Oh, no. Get in your hole. And there. And they were already running and everything, so they're all pumped up. You don't have to worry about re-soaking them in oil or nothing. Just drop them back in where they were. Slide the push rods back with the lifters they had. Yeah, that's the nice part about having the motor running before you take it apart is everything's already oiled for you. You don't got to worry about it. There's a little goo there. Alright. Time to put the rocker shaft back on. One more. There we go. And no, I am no expert of any kind. This is a hobby. I've done a few of these now, and hey, if you like my ideas, cool, great. If you got better ideas, I'm always open to suggestions. I've said it before, I'll say it again. The smartest man in the world knows how to ask questions. Now we'll start running these down a little at a time. Contact. 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 Okay, then we start in the middle. Run it down about 3. 3. 3. 3. Couple more, because that one wasn't even touching anymore. There. There. And yes, I know I just got out of order. Don't worry about it too much. Okay. Now we're gonna snug it. Snug it. Snug it. Snug. Snug. And we'll go back one more time and just make sure they're all good and snug. You didn't have any extra oil in the threads or something to stop it. Okay, we're good. And go over here and grab our valve cover gasket. And our bolts while I'm in this general vicinity. Gasket, Velcros, Rock Auto, cheap. I think the set was $7.
But they work well.
Get it on the right way. Nice and pretty. Got some jewelry going on here. Like I said before, I don't like chrome. Well, blue ain't chrome. And these are just factory valve covers. Just sandblasted and painted them. Painted them to match the truck. And I'll have to wipe it down later because I got fingerprints all over them. Oh well. It's a work truck. And like I said before, Genuine Champions. These are 405s. I do not put anything but vehicle correct in vehicles. And even though I hate them, I will put an Autolite plug in a Ford because that's what Ford wanted in there. But Dodge gets Champion, Chevy gets AC Delco or Denso, either one. Volkswagen sitting over there, that gets NGKs. No, I am very specific on spark plugs. Because I've had, you know, try to put Autolites in a Dodge because, well, they're cheaper. Okay. Well, they ran great for about 4 hours, then they fouled out. They work great in a motor that runs a little on the lean side. If you got a motor that likes to flood itself, Autolites hate getting wet. Champions do pretty good. If they get wet, they still fire. The best that I've found, and that's through snowmobiles, NGKs, you can almost soak them in a bucket of gasoline and they'll fire up. I mean, not literally, but it almost seems that way. And I already checked, these are all gapped at 35 thousandths, so no need to recheck them. And the oil off the fingers, so that just lubricates the spark plugs, or the wires, so they don't stick. Or at least that's what I tell myself. Normally not this greasy when I'm putting these in. But main reason I'm putting them in tonight is just because with the weather I don't want to get moisture in the cylinders. And I'll put a blanket in the valley for the night so it doesn't allow any moisture to go down in those valves. We'll pass snug. There we go. There we go. That's it for the night. Cam swap done. Couple hours. And it's that simple. And a little more difficult when you got the motor in the vehicle still. Or the vehicle around the motor, I should say. But yeah, it's that simple to swap a cam. Everyone thinks it's some voodoo thing. No, on an old LA Block 360, 318. Walk in the park. But it's time for dinner and get washed up. So have a good night.